Right, yes, funfair audits. Thumbs up for the channel. Right, that's just about the only thing that's going to be going through there today. So this is the old A44 that goes towards Evesham. It's completely closed. Now we were going to go and do a fun fair today down in Cardiff and Merthyr Tydfil, but unfortunately, as you see guys, whoops, now I'm getting me feet wet. So we were going to go down today and do the fair down in Cardiff and Merthyr Tydfil, but unfortunately I can't get out of the town. So yeah, that's the view looking down towards Breeden Hill. The turning to the Cumbertons is also flooded, so there's no access once you get past this little bit. It was completely over the road just past those bollards yesterday, so it's gone down slightly, but we've got some more rain coming in tonight. Plenty of water up the River Severn still to come down. This is the River Avon. Right, as you see over there guys, plenty of water around, and we'll just pop you up to where the old mill used to be. That's your old toll house. There was an ice house down here. This one was built 1743. So let's just pop you up here. Now you've still got all these people who are coming down here despite bollards being all over the road, saying the road's closed. Right, your white building's the old manor house, which a few years ago burned down. In fact, they've had a succession of fires along here. Just recently there was a place called the Bell House which has gone up in smoke. It's up the top of the road. We've still got bollards and stuff out there, and where these new builds are, this used to be a corn mill. That burnt down sometime in the 1970s. And eventually we got these new builds on here. So it's publicly accessible, so the sign private road doesn't mean anything. It's only when you start to see barriers like this stuff where it says private, no public access, then you start to behave yourself. Yeah, we'll just have a look down the drive at where the houses are, because you can't even get access into their garages. I mean, they are completely gone. So yeah, that's Pershore in Worcestershire. Right at the start of January, so it pretty miserable welcome start to the new year for some folks. So we've still got people turning round. And I would love to show you a bit more, but unfortunately I'm going nowhere. So Funfair Audits, yeah, we're loving you, and we'll catch you sometime at a fair. We are looking at Wrexham next, so fingers crossed, because again, that could be a major doubt down to the road conditions. So stay tuned to the channel, guys.